Hey, welcome back to our Hungry Adventures in Bangkok. And yeah guys, this is another episode of Undiscovered, Unknown Bangkok, and now I'm inviting you to Khlong Sam Wa district of Bangkok. Yeah. And I wanted to show you one very interesting temple. Unfortunately it's closed. Yeah, I don't know the reason, because it's not the first temple I'm visiting which is closed these days. It might be because of pandemic, it might be because of something else. Anyway, today I gotta improvise, so probably it's gonna be another video of series Foreigners Don't Come Here, because I'm in some river community, canal community, yeah, and there is a road and I believe we can explore it, maybe find someone interesting, some special. Oh! There is a kid with a fish on his stick. He's fishing with stick. Yeah, so we'll be looking for, in this video we'll be looking for something interesting, yeah, that usually we don't see in videos of other vloggers. So as always, if you have got some time and empty space in your stomach and you are ready to waste your precious time together with me while I'm exploring surroundings, then join me in this hungry adventure. Let's go. You are not chicken. I'm not going to eat you. When you are 14, what could be better than having a motorbike and riding everywhere together with your friends? สวัสดีครับ ไม่เคยดูฝรั่งใช่ไหม ไม่เคยดูฝรั่ง
รู้จักฝรั่งไหม English อะไรนั่นแหละ
มาจากประเทศรัสเซียครับ รัสเซีย Okay, I really want to follow these guys to see how they are fishing here with this stick. Can you imagine that? People are feeding fish here in the temple, yeah. A lot of fish in the canal and they are hunting for this fish. Seems like they really know what they do. Like real professional hunter look. Oh, one more. I'm too big. I gotta move away from the road. These three gentlemen have decided to turn back. Yeah, perhaps I'm disturbing them too much with my talking. Because fish doesn't like much talking, yeah? If you're a fisherman, you know, you gotta be quiet to catch this fish. Okay, anyway, let's keep walking because this, I don't know, this neighborhood looks pretty interesting and quiet with so many birds. Can you hear it? Yeah, amazing. And yeah, something tells me indeed foreigners don't come here. So people will be surprised to see me. Sawasdee krab. ไปที่นี่ได้ไหมครับ
ได้ค่ะ
Mm.
ไปได้
เพราะว่าผมชอบไปบ้านนอกอุ้ย Yeah, everyone is protecting themselves with dogs. And this is something truly unusual. Pine tree. Pine tree growing here on the coast of the canal. Why? From where? Bangkok is a real city of contrast. Even here we can see like pretty ordinary wooden houses on one side of the canal, then lots of trash, and here behind this fence pretty new, pretty modern two-story houses here, which are built maybe like 1 year ago. You see, these are new houses. Another building with all apartments, another new house here, probably some house village. Can I walk here or not? Oh god, okay, I gotta try. You see even papaya here. It looks like someone's garden, but the conditions of it. Do you see it? A toilet. Perhaps it used to be someone's house some time ago. And there are lots of houses here on this coast of this canal. Some of them got electricity, some of them are not. They've got electric meters on trees sometimes. Very unusual to see. But yeah, this is it, non-touristy Bangkok. And a green field, as always. Yeah, it's ready to harvest. You see, this is it. Famous, legendary Thai rice. God damn it. Roosters, those chickens, crazy. I think they're scared of me. Yeah, what is this foreigner doing here? In the rice field. Have you ever seen roosters protecting rice field? Huh? I just did. Friend, can I go? ไปได้ไหม Thank you very much. Bro, you don't need to walk with me. You don't need to show me that you've got iron balls. Just let me go. Your ginger Fred knows me. Good boy, good boy. Just don't bite my ass, please. Yeah, he's a really good boy. Lots of dogs here. Perhaps for a reason. to protect and to be a friend. You don't find many playgrounds here, but dogs are best friends of all children, of all kids. And chicken is the best friend of me. Chicken, basil and rice. Nice to meet you, Bob. Wow, we're in the same district. It's Khlong Sam Wa district of Bangkok, and I found pretty interesting place to eat. Their bestseller is pad thai. Yeah, I'm eating pad thai again today. Yeah, and the second dish that I ordered is fried chicken wings. And seems we can even enjoy the sunset here because, as you see, the sun is about to set. And we can enjoy it in these beautiful settings. You see, there is one tent, almost a camping, and another tent. I think we need some music now to feel it much better, yeah, to really enjoy it. Are you agree with me? It's pretty lovely, don't you think so? I think so. Except mosquitoes, of course. Fried chicken wings and pad thai with shrimp. Yeah. Yeah, now I know why pad thai here is a bestseller, because it's really great. Super tasty, with some bonuses. What is this? Probably pork skin, yeah. And this? Deep fried onion. I gotta mix it all. I've never eaten this option. Very unusual. And very delicious. Really good. Okay. Also peanuts and chili. Yeah. This is a really great pad thai. This chicken is just a winner of Miss Chicken Universe. Yeah, this is how tasty it is. Man, really, I need some privacy, I need some time to enjoy this meal. I hope you can understand me. Wow, to enjoy a meal in this beautiful setting. Meanwhile, you can hit the like button. Yeah, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Yeah, who knows, if you just check out if you have subscribed to this channel. It's very important. And yeah, hit the bell and turn all notifications on. It's also very important, so that you won't miss new videos, that you won't miss the live streams. And I'll see you in the next video pretty soon, perhaps next week, yeah. And now I gotta enjoy this amazing meal. Bye bye.